All right, folks, here we go. Wednesday morning in Chicago, ready to roll. Ukraine, Russia is still top of mind with these markets. So we broke a 3-day losing streak yesterday. Markets rallied to the upside in a big way. Big movers yesterday were tech stocks. Nasdaq up over 2%. Seeing a little bit of weakness this morning as we pull back heading into the open. Again, Ukraine, Russia, that's the focus for these markets right now. Everything really hinging on that. Inflation number came out, PPI, yesterday. It was hotter than expected. Didn't really have much of an impact on the market though. So look over at FX this morning. We're seeing weakness in the dollar. Jump over to oil as you would expect with everything going on in Russia and Ukraine. Seeing oil rally again this morning, up another 1%, up above $93 a barrel in WTI. So we've got a Federal Reserve minutes today from the last FOMC meeting. That's coming out. That's going to be the big data point for today. So be ready for that. Let's have a good one. See you folks again tomorrow.